Hello friends, in the last lecture we have seen some properties of determinant. So what are they? I will just revise some of the properties. If any two rows or any two columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. If all the elements of any row or any column of a determinant are 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. If we interchange two rows or two columns of a determinant, then the value of the determinant changes in sign only. If we interchange the rows and columns of a determinant, then the value of the determinant remains unchanged. If all the elements of any row or any column are multiplied by same constant k, then the value of the new determinant is k times the value of the original one. The addition of the kth multiples of all the elements of any row or any column to any other row or any other column does not change the value of the determinant, which we are using frequently. And if all the elements of any row or any column are expressed as sum of two terms, then the value of then that determinant is expressed as sum of two determinants. So these are some of the properties of determinant which we have seen in the last lecture. Some of the students, they post about the examples on determinant, especially trigonometric examples. So I will just solve these examples for them. The example is expand or find the value of 3921. So it is very easy. The answer comes out to be minus 15. Then the second one is sec theta, tan theta, sec theta. So it is sec square theta minus tan square theta, and trigonometric identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta gives the value of this one as 1. Similarly here, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Again, one of the identity of trigonometry, that is that gives the answer as 1. Cot theta, cosec theta, cot theta, that is cot square theta minus cosec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, that is our identity, and by using that identity the value of this one is minus 1. Then third order determinant 431 560 203, 4 into 6003 minus 3 into 5023 plus 1 into 5620, and you know its answer, how to find its answer. At the last we get the answer as 15. Some of the examples are like this also. Solve 4x x4 is equal to 0, that is 16 minus x square is equal to 0. Therefore x square is equal to 16, x is equal to plus minus 4. Solve or find the value of x. The nature of the question is solve or find the value of x. So this one is plus minus 4. Second example in that category, 2 minus 3 4 3, that is x1 minus 2x. So this one is 6 plus 12 is equal to x square plus 2. So x square is equal to 16 again, then therefore the answer comes out to be plus minus 4. Then 4 3 9, 3 minus 2 7, 11 4x is equal to 0. Expand this determinant on LHS and see the final answer is x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25. Then In the ninth example, LHS as well as RHS, both of them are in determinant form. So expand this as well as expand this. The expansion of this is very easy. It is second order determinant. Expansion of this, you have to write some steps. But here, see, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 1. And therefore, we use the property of determinant. Property of determinant, that is, we multiply the first row means all the elements of first row by 1, and we subtract whatever multiples we got. And that is denoted by R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. The similar thing we consider for this also, R3 minus R1. So R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. These two operations we can perform in one step, because for these two steps, there is no change in R1. R2 and R3 will change, but R1 remains the same, and therefore these two operations we can perform in one step. So 1x x square, there is no change. R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1, 0, then 1 minus x, then 1 minus x square. Similarly, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus x, and 4 minus x square. And here 4 into 2, 8, 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. Ultimately, the RHS is 0. Now, we again use the property of determinant, that is, we interchange the rows and columns. Rows and columns we interchange. So there is no change in the value. So first column becomes first row. Second column becomes second row. Third column becomes third row. And this is equal to 0. And now it is very easy to expand this determinant, to simplify this determinant. So 1 into 1 minus x into 4 minus x square minus 2 minus x into 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Because these two elements in the first row, second element and third element, they are 0. So 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So you just multiply these two brackets, take the subtractions and see the answer comes out to be x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So I suppose it is sufficient for you. Try to solve more and more examples. Many students, they are asking for the books. My friends, there is no particular book. No particular book means one book for all the students. That is not the system from 10th onwards. Up to 10th, there was a textbook. But here, in the market, there are various types of books of various publications. So you just take any book from the market and try to solve the exercises or try to understand the solved examples, etc. So some of the publications they are using, students are usually using are Vision publications. So for the Vision publications, I am one of the author. Then Nirali publication, then TechMax publication, etc. So there are various publications. But see, ours is the Autonomous Institute and there is no particular book for our institute. all the books are prepared according to MSBT, Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education syllabus. So while purchasing the books, you just see all the topics are included and then only purchase it. Otherwise, it will be useful for second term or third term, etc. Because for MSBT, mathematics is only for first 2 semesters, and in our institute, mathematics is for 3 semesters. So see the difference, and therefore you just purchase the books accordingly and try to solve the examples more and more. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you once again.